Hello friends, welcome to Department of Plant Pathology, KDSP Agriculture College Nasik. In previous lecture, we have studied all the diseases of cotton and their management. Now today, we are going to see all diseases of mango, their causal organism, symptomatology and their management. First disease of mango is mango malformation and its causal organism is Fusarium moniliforme variety slab glutinans. This mango malformation is one of the common diseases in mango crop and causes severe losses in mango. This disease shows three types of symptoms. First one is bunchy top phase, second one is vegetative malformation phase, and third one is floral malformation phase. Now we will see all these three phases in one by one. In bunchy top phase, young plants in the nursery is the most predominant factor that could be infected due to this bunchy top. It attacks on plants in between 4 to 5 months of age in the nursery. On main shoot, formation of small rudimentary leaves arises and all that rudimentary leaves comes under bunches. Should remain short, stunted with shortened internode is the particular character of this bunchy top phase. That means height of such shoots should be very short and you can easily identify by its shortened internodes. Plant growth stopped and gives bunchy top appearance as we have seen in bunchy top disease of banana. Same type of symptoms were observed in this bunchy top phase. That means shortened internode, rudimentary leaves formation, excess rudimentary leaves were produced on the main shoots. So these are particular symptoms of bunchy top phase. The another one phase is vegetative malformation. You can see the symptoms of this vegetative malformation in this image. It induces excessive vegetative branches with limited growth in young seedlings. Seedlings with short internodes and stunted growth were observed in vegetative malformation. Similarly, in vegetative malformation, there is the formation of bunches of various size on the top of seedlings or on the branches. So these are all symptoms of vegetative malformation. You can easily identify it. The third most important phase, that is floral malformation. In floral malformation, there is the reduction in the length of primary axis and secondary branches of panicle. Flowers transform into vegetative bud forming rudimentary leaves in clusters. Main axis drastically shorten and flowers are transformed into small leaves. Malformed panicles give leafy appearance. Malformed heads dry up in a black masses and there is no fruiting formation in such malformed panicles. If formed, they are undersized and unripe or misshaped. So these are particular marks of identification of floral malformation. Long distance spread of this mango malformation can occur through infected propagating material. That means infected propagating materials helps in the spread of disease from one field to another field. 4 to 8 year trees are highly susceptible to attack of this disease. This fungus proliferates on drying malformed panicles, which serves as a source of inoculum. The mites help in transmission of the pathogen also. So red mites were responsible for transmission of mango malformation in mango field. So this is all about symptomatology of mango malformation. Now we will see the management of mango malformation. For management of this mango malformation, we have to avoid such infected propagating material and we have to avoid scions and stalks from infected plants. That means stalks and scions which were obtained from mother orchards should be free from the disease. Then we have to cut down affected terminals 15 to 20 cm along with healthy portion and burn it outside the field. Similarly, this disease can be controlled by initially in first phase by spraying with 200 ppm of NAA, that is naphthalic acetic acid, It is the regulator, growth regulator. In first week of October, followed by deblossoming at bud burst stage. Similarly, foliar spray with carbendazim 0.02% or propiconazole or any another triazole group of fungicide is found effective for managing this disease. Similarly, drenching with such systemic fungicide around the tree basing is found effective for controlling mycelium which were present inside the soil. So this is all about management of mango malformation. Another disease of mango is mango powdery mildew. It's caused due to Odium mangiferi and it causes severe losses in mango crop. Here you can see the symptoms of this mango powdery mildew. Symptoms can be observed during December to March. Whitish fungal growth on stalks of panicle, flowers and tender fruits can be seen. Premature flower and fruit drop occurs due to severe attack of this powdery mildew. Then fruit setting is also reduced in severe infection. Young leaves and twigs are also infected at higher altitudes, and shedding of all infected leaves is the common symptom of this mango powdery mildew. This powdery mildew pathogen survives during off-season in intact dried malformed panicles by hiding under the dense foliage. During January to March, the dormant mycelium activates and produces conidia which blows away through wind and causes severe infection. Cloudy weathers with rain or heavy mist in morning and cool nights favors the development of this disease. Similarly, high wind velocity for 3 to 4 days, maximum temperature range from 30 to 34 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature that is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius is favorable for attack of this powdery mildew. So this powdery mildew can be controlled by using 2 to 3 spraying or 2 to 3 dustings of sulfur fungicide. First should be done before flower opening, second should be done at the flower fall stage, and third should be done during flower setting stage. All these 3 dustings should be essential for management of this powdery mildew. We can also control this disease by spraying with carbendazim or tridimorph at fortnightly intervals, and similarly spraying of Bordeaux mixture is also effective for management of this powdery mildew. We can also grow some resistant varieties to manage this disease like Neelam, Totapuri, Jardalu, Janardhan and Pasan. These are some resistant varieties to powdery mildew that we can use for cultivation purpose. Thanks for watching this video. In next lecture we will see another disease of mango. Thank you.